Hi, this is Rev Carlos from DMCI Homes. So today, itutur ko kayo sa isang studio unit here in Solmera Coast. Hi, this is Rev Carlos from LG Division, Team Warrior Knights. I'm a property consultant in a real estate broker. So today, since itutur namin kayo sa aming studio unit here in Solmera Coast, first, papakita muna namin kung ano yung itsura ng amin pong mga unit for our vacation pass. So it has a 3 unit kasi ang kasama nito is yung ating showroom na isa. Pero ang total po nito is 4, yung iba is tig-4 na studio unit. So you can enjoy this if you have vacation pass when you have reserved a unit here in Solmera Coast. So tara, tignan natin yung ating studio unit which is 35 square meters and fully furnished. So napakalawak nitong ating development. Yung mga kukuha ng unit dito, may enjoy yung ating facility kapag ginamit nila yung kanilang credits dito sa ating vacation pass. So ayun, ang ipapakita naman namin sa inyo is yung ating studio unit which is 35 square meters and fully furnished. Yung pinakita kasi namin sa inyo kanina is our villas which is available for ating mga guests sa ating vacation pass. So tara, tingnan natin yung unit. So entering the unit, kung makikita nyo is meron na tayong sink. Available na yung ating mga turnover like our faucets which is kasama na sa ating unit. So, pakinote lang na this is fully furnished. Kasama na to sa binayaran nyo na TCP pagka binili nyo ito kay DMCI. And itong unit natin is si DMCI na ang bahalang mag-manage. So, since fully furnished siya, ready na siya para sa mga guests na magbubook sa atin pong hotel. So, on this side, makikita natin is yung ating toilet and bath. So, kasama na nga sa ating turnover yung ating shower. Pati itong ating glass partition kasama na rin. And yung ating lavatory, yung ating toilet. Ayan, pati na rin itong ating sink which has granite countertop. So coming here, ayan, meron na din tayong sabitan ng ating mga damit since nandito tayo sa resort. Ito naman yung ating living area. Kung makikita nyo, napaka-spacious niya. Kasama na yung ating sofa, yung ating mga table, pati na rin yung ating glass. Ayun, as you can see. Since studio unit siya, ayan, makikita na agad natin yung ating bedroom. So, asahan natin na since studio siya, wala siyang partition, magkasama na yung ating buong unit. Pero, kahit na studio unit siya, since 35 square meters siya, makikita natin na very spacious, which is napakalaking bagay para sa ating unit. Coming here naman, syempre hindi mawawala yung ating balcony area. Ayan. Yung balcony natin, sakop na rin yung buong size ng ating unit. So, napakalaki niya, napakaganda ng view. Kung may imagine nyo na this unit is situated in the mismong building, is napakaganda ng view. Depende yan sa ating mapipiling unit kung nakaharap siya sa ating dagat or sa ating mga amenities. So, ayun lang. Kung meron kayong questions regarding the property, you can inquire, message me directly, or you can contact via the contact details stated in this video, and you can also comment in this video. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more videos regarding the DMCI Homes project.